Good evening, everyone, and hello out there from internet land. I got my new Loot Crate DX box in the mail today, and I just wanted to share the unboxing with you. So without further ado, let's get to it. Oh, right away. This is awesome. The Karate Kid Stay Puft Marshmallow Man crossover. Sorry, I was just trying to look at the camera here. It looks a little bit like, it looks a little washed out. There we go. Anyway, I did see this online ahead of time. The side of the box says Karate Puft on it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I like it. And let's see what else we have in here. Not sure what this is. I got a cheap grab a knife here. This almost looks like something that... Oh, Stranger Things. Nice. It's a Stranger Things towel. Pretty cool. See if you can see the whole thing there. Just go up. Pretty cool. Big Stranger Things fan. I think I'd mentioned in one of my other videos, I don't have Netflix. I do things the old way with DVDs. So when the DVDs came out, that was my first experience with Stranger Things. So I got to binge watch it all on DVD. Here's the little pin that came with the Loot Crate. It says Mythical, October 2017. And what do we got here? Looks like a Thor hammer purse. It says, whoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Pretty cool. And a supernatural diary. Oh, and there's actually, I don't know anything about supernatural. Maybe some of you watching might give me a couple clues on what it is. Anyway, there's the book from Supernatural. And then just the standard pamphlet explaining what came in the Loot Crate. Pretty excited about that Marshmallow Man. Gotta say that's definitely my favorite thing in this Loot Crate for sure. Big Ghostbusters fan, of course, and loved the Karate Kid growing up as well. Awesome stuff. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It's Thanksgiving week, and I hope everybody's enjoying the holiday and spending time with family and eating lots of food. And if Thanksgiving's not your thing, well, I hope you're having a good week. Anyway, all right, we'll talk to you guys later. Good night.